Ready to transform your raw data into stunning, insightful dashboards that drive action? Let's dive into Looker Studio, Google's powerful data visualization tool, and unlock its secrets step by step. First, connecting your data. Looker Studio seamlessly integrates with various sources. See that Create button in the top left corner. Click it, then select Data Source. You'll see options like Google Sheets, Google Analytics, databases, and more. Pick your source, grant permissions, and connect. Now for the fun part, visualizations. Once your data's connected, drag and drop fields onto the canvas. Looker Studio automatically suggests chart types, but you can easily switch between bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, tables, and more from the toolbar at the top. Experiment with different charts to find the best way to tell your story. Need to calculate something new? Calculated fields are your friend. Go to add a field within your data source, type in your formula using Looker Studio's functions, and boom, a brand new metric or dimension ready to use. Want to combine data from multiple sources? Data blending is the answer. In the Resource Manager, drag different data sources together and define how they relate. This unlocks hidden relationships and provides a unified view. Let's customize, explore the theme and layout options to match your brand. Adjust colors, fonts, and add interactive elements like filters and date range selectors to create a user-friendly experience. Share your reports securely with your team through the Share button. Managing access levels. That's Looker Studio in a nutshell. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, you can transform data into actionable insights and drive data-driven decisions. Now go create some amazing dashboards.